Good morning. Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video on GLP-1s. I am not giving a medical advice at all. I'm giving my journey and my story. I have been on Zepbound GLP-1 since October, and I've lost 30 pounds. And I'm seeing things that I have learned over the way and things that people are complaining about that can be corrected, at least in my case, by doing certain things. So hopefully this video helps you. I, again, am not a doctor. I have no medical training or anything, but I'm just talking about my journey and what helps me and what I'm finding through the course of my last 6 months. Again, I've lost 30 pounds. It's slow, but it's coming off and I'm feeling better. And I'm hoping this helps you. Okay, so the first thing I learned was to start tracking the date you take your medicine, the place that you put it, whether it's in your thighs, your stomach, your back of your arms. Track that. Track any symptoms you have, and track how much you lost with it in that place. Because I find for me, I don't lose as much if I put it in my tummy. I lose more if I put it in my right thigh. So I switch up my places, but my right thigh seems to be the best. So as long as I haven't done it in a couple times there, I try to do the right thigh. Don't know why. Some people say it's the belly, some people say it's the back of the arm. You just have to find your place. And the only way you can do that is to track it and track how much you're losing in each place. That's number one. Number two is I see a lot of people, I have a lot of friends and family that are on GLP-1s, and they're saying they're nauseous all the time. Well, I get nauseous. The only time I get nauseous is if I'm not eating enough protein. So up your protein if you're getting nauseous. See if that helps. Okay, it helps me. And I am somewhere around 100 grams of protein a day. So it's a lot. And it's a lot at first to try to figure out how to do it. But, protein shakes will help your chicken, your fish, your meat. Don't be afraid of meat. It does have protein. You're not going to eat a lot, but a little bit is okay. Try to stay away from your fats and your fried stuff. It's like you're trying to lose weight and trying to get healthier. Fried is just never a good thing. So I just try to stay away from it. Yes, I do eat my french fries every once in a while, but it's every once in a while. It's not every day, it's not every week. It's, every couple weeks I might have a few fries with something. I don't deprive myself of anything. Uh, and hopefully that helps too. But yes, protein is your key. Protein and water. I drink, again, probably at least 80 ounces of water a day, and my protein's somewhere around 100. You need to be tracking your stuff. You need to know what you're eating. You need to know what your protein is. You need to know what your water intake is. You can track more things than that. Calories are going to matter too. It's the whole thing is calories in, calories out. So if you're eating way too much, this isn't like a miracle drug. This is to help you. It's an aid to help you eat better, eat less, and figure out how to eat so that when you go off of this medication, you're not going back to your old ways, if that makes sense. So, excuse me. Um, you should be tracking everything. Keep just keep a little diary, keep a little notebook, whatever helps you. And I tell you, it's watch whatever you can, watch the videos you can. Um, there's a few really good people out there. I'm just trying to do a little condensed version of it, hopefully. I got a frog in my throat now. But hopefully this helps you, and you don't have to watch an hour-long video to get the tips that I'm giving you. um, but let me know. Like me down below there. I know there's a little like button, so if you can like that and give me comments, tell me what you think. Again, this is not medical advice. I'm not telling you what to do. Just telling you what worked for me, and maybe if you apply it to yourself, it might work, it might not. But this is all a journey for all of us, and I've lost 30 pounds so far, and I'm very happy with that. Um, yes, I do have more to lose. So hopefully, I will be doing more videos and telling you more tips and tricks as I learn more things and I lose more weight. But yes, it's definitely helped me, and I'm working with a nutritionist. Which, if your doctor is not helping you with this, you need to go back to them and say, I need help. I need a nutritionist. I need some guidance on this because, again, there's people I know that the doctor just prescribed them a drug and gave it to them, and they take it and they have no idea about eating healthy or eating protein or water or any of that stuff. And I find that appalling that the doctors are doing that. But um, yeah, so get yourself a nutritionist, get yourself a good doctor, or talk to your doctor and tell them that you need help, because this is not something that you're just going to take the drug and it's going to work. Okay, so yeah, so like it down below. This was my first video, so please bear with all my ums and my loss of words. So hope you liked it. Let me know. Thanks. Peace. Good luck on your journey.